Nous croyons que chaque personne au Canada a le droit à l'eau potable, un abri au-dessus de sa tête et à des aliments nutritifs abordables. We've designed a four-season greenhouse that has the ability to create resilient communities who are able to feed themselves and not rely on outside sources. Giving people the ability to grow their own nutritious food is just the start of creating resilient communities. I'm an engineer, I'm a problem solver, and I know that food security is a problem.
These communities rely on a very short window in winter months for their shipping. They have very limited shipments of fresh produce. They're forced to rely on the more processed foods or preserved foods, which may not give them the nutrients that they require. To be able to give them the opportunity to grow fresh, healthy food and have it grown locally so they're not reliant on the inconsistent and unhealthy foods, that would be the ideal scenario.
I've had the idea for many years to get greenhouses into remote communities. L'idée des serres dans les régions éloignées m'est venue il y a plusieurs années quand j'étais en train de penser à une solution à la problème de la sécurité alimentaire. J'ai voulu encourager les communautés et les familles de commencer à cultiver leurs propres légumes.
I was actually having a discussion with my manager about some potential ideas that we could submit for WSP's innovation contest, and I pitched Michelle's idea that she had mentioned to me, and we both agreed that it was a great fit for the project. I believe it was mostly based on that we're giving back to communities, and that really aligns with WSP's goals. We submitted it, and the rest is history.
It's hard to pinpoint the most innovative part of this project. We really thoughtfully developed a design based on energy efficient materials that were durable, and materials that were easy to transport to these remote communities. The web application itself is accessible to anyone, and it's easy to use, so anyone can download plans to build.
To me, this project really fosters resilience in these communities by giving them independence.
It is so important for us to solve this issue because we have an entire population of people within Canada that aren't having their basic needs met. Le changement climatique est réel. L'insécurité alimentaire est réelle. Mais la résilience est à la portée de ces communautés. We have the ability as engineers to develop systems and develop products, develop designs that can create resiliency within these communities.
Most exciting aspect, there is the design aspect of it, but it's also more empowering because you know that this could potentially have a really positive impact. It's really exciting to hopefully be able to make a difference.